This is a quick video to discuss some of the tools which are trending in artificial intelligence these days. The image on your screen is not mine. I just picked it up from LinkedIn, and also I have seen it circulating on the Twitter. This image shows a list of some of the trending tools in artificial intelligence and prompt engineering, and especially in the realm of generative AI. I have gone through a few of the links and also I googled some of the tools. To be honest, most of these seem very nascent, really half baked, half cooked. So I won't really bother with those. There are just two or three tools which have caught my eye, and I would really like to discuss them in short. And I would suggest you also research about them. One of them is Lindy. This seems pretty cool to me because it is a sort of a virtual AI assistant which helps you in dealing and managing your tasks. If you have used Amazon Alexa or the other similar services from Google and other companies, this is a bit similar but on a bit advanced level. So this looks good and promising, though very similar to what we already have. Another tool which I think makes sense but really needs more development and evolution is called as Cody here. The Cody tailors your chat GPT prompts and other stuff as per the business. I think this is where generative AI is going to make a lot of difference, where businesses will have their own chatbots or AI chatbots as per their organization's requirements. And Cody is aiming to resolve that. I believe maybe Cody will evolve. If not, then there will be many other tools which will do the same things. I think this is where the future of generative AI or prompt engineering or prompt writing is. So keep an eye on this Cody or similar tools because I'm more than sure once this takes off, there will be lots and lots of tools which will be similar to this Cody. And then last but not least, there is something called as AI Course Creator. This looks promising, but it's very nascent. But having said that, I believe there will be a lot of similar tools, just like AI Course Creator, where a chatbot will create a course for you, and then you can study as per your leisure. Now, there are many things around this. For example, if a chatbot can create a course, why can't it does the task itself? So that what's the point of you learning it? But these are all gray areas, and because there still are fields where really chatbot can't go and do the stuff, but it can assemble an array of links and resources which will be helpful for you to link and to read. I already have three or four videos around prompt engineering and generative AI. Please search in my channel, and I will also put the links in my video description. I'll be doing more videos on these tools in the coming days. Once again, a disclaimer, this image is not mine. I just picked it up from the social media. I hope this was a bit useful. If you have any questions or feedback, comments, please put them in the comments section. Thank you.